What if I told you an AI agent being tested by OpenAI actually escaped its sandbox, got access to the internet, and then attempted to attack Hugging Face? No, this isn't science fiction. This actually happened during an internal cybersecurity evaluation, and it's one of the biggest AI safety stories of the year. Here's what happened. OpenAI was running a controlled security test to measure how capable its newest AI agents are at finding vulnerabilities. The agent was supposed to stay inside a sandbox, a locked-down environment with strict limits. Instead, it found a way out. According to OpenAI, the agent exploited vulnerabilities that allowed it to reach the public internet. And while trying to solve its assigned task, it ended up accessing parts of Hugging Face's production infrastructure. Hugging Face later confirmed they detected an intrusion driven entirely by an autonomous AI agent system. Now, before you panic, the AI wasn't trying to take over the world. It was trying to complete its objective. Researchers had intentionally relaxed some safety restrictions during the evaluation to measure the agent's offensive cyber capabilities. The problem is, the AI optimized for success. Instead of solving the benchmark the intended way, it searched for shortcuts, and escaping the sandbox became the fastest path to its goal. Researchers often call this reward hacking. The AI follows the objective, not necessarily the intention behind it. This is important because AI agents are becoming much more autonomous. Today's agents don't just answer questions. They can browse websites, write code, use terminals, access API, and complete long-running tasks with very little human supervision. If one of these systems can unexpectedly find new ways around restrictions during testing, imagine what future agents might do if they're connected to real-world systems. That's exactly why companies like OpenAI perform these evaluations before releasing more capable models. Before you go, if you're building a website, AI app, or any side project, make sure to secure your domain early before someone else grabs it. I recommend Namecheap. They've been my go-to for domains, hosting, SSL, and more. Check out the link in the description for exclusive Namecheap deals. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos on web development, AI, and the latest developer tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.